enhance blood flow, ease tension, and even address performance challenges that often arise after age 50. This isn't some fringe remedy. It's a practice rooted in traditional medicine, now backed by modern science. I'll guide you through where to find this spot, how to massage it effectively, the best oils to use, and why this simple habit could transform your health routine. No costly gadgets or awkward doctor visits, just a practical solution you can do at home. After 50, many men notice changes in sexual function. Blood flow slows, sensitivity fades, and what once came naturally may now require effort or not happen at all. Most chalk it up to aging, relying on pills or resignation. But here's the deal. Your pelvic floor muscles, which control everything from urination to erections, are often both tight and weak. It's like a rubber band stretched too long, tense, but lacking strength. Blood vessels in the area lose flexibility. Circulation lags and nerves get compressed by tight muscles, poor posture, or years of sitting. Stress and aging amplify these issues, creating a perfect storm. The good news, you can address this with a targeted, simple technique. Medical research is catching up to what Eastern traditions have long known. Targeted massage and pressure point therapy can improve pelvic health and circulation. Physical therapists use these methods for pelvic floor dysfunction, and urologists recommend them for prostate health, yet few discuss their benefits for sexual vitality. The key spot is the perineum, known in traditional Chinese medicine as the million-dollar point, located between your scrotum and anus. It's a hub for major blood vessels, nerves, the prostate, and the root of the penis. Massaging this area is like unclogging a traffic jam. Blood flows better, nerves decompress, and muscles relax, reviving systems that have been sluggish for years. Finding the perineum is straightforward. Sit on the edge of a chair or lie down with knees bent. Using your index and middle fingers, gently press halfway between your scrotum and anus. You're looking for a soft, slightly indented spot. It may feel tender. That's normal and means you're in the right place. Use moderate pressure like checking a ripe tomato. Make small circular motions clockwise for 30 seconds, then counterclockwise for 30 seconds. Alternatively, try an up and down motion or a press and release pattern, 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off. 1 minute total is enough. If you feel sharp pain, ease up. You're pressing too hard. If you feel nothing, adjust pressure or position slightly. It may feel awkward at first, but with a few tries, you'll get the hang of it. Consistency is key. Using oil enhances comfort and effectiveness. Here are top choices. Castor oil penetrates deeply, reduces inflammation, and boosts circulation due to its renolic acid. Warm a teaspoon between your hands before applying to avoid discomfort and aid absorption. Coconut oil is ideal for sensitive skin. Its antibacterial, absorbs well, and supports hormone production. It smells pleasant and feels less greasy. Black seed oil contains theoquinone, which improves blood flow and supports testosterone. It's pricier but potent for male vitality. For a blend, mix equal parts castor and coconut oil with 3 to 4 drops of essential oils per ounce, like peppermint circulation. Boosting rosemary circulation or sandalwood, male reproductive health. Apply warmed oil for better penetration and comfort. Avoid petroleum jelly or lotions which can clog pores. This simple act delivers multiple benefits. First, the pressure acts like a pump, moving stagnant blood out and fresh blood in, delivering oxygen and nutrients while clearing waste. Second, gentle massage decompresses nerves, improving sensation and signal clarity like cleaning contacts on an old device. Third, it indirectly stimulates the prostate, enhancing circulation and supporting hormone production and urinary function. Fourth, it releases muscle tension and trigger points, improving erection strength, orgasm intensity, and bladder control. Finally, it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, lowering cortisol and promoting relaxation. Massage in the morning leverages higher testosterone or evening, promotes relaxation and nighttime function. For the first week, do it every other day to let tissues adapt. Then aim for 1 to 2 minutes daily. Twice daily is fine for some, but don't overdo it if you feel soreness. Try it 2 to 3 hours before intimacy to prime the system without overstimulation. During stress, increase to twice daily if needed, but reduce if irritation occurs. Consistency matters more than intensity. A minute daily is better than 10 minutes weekly. Avoid these mistakes. Don't use too much pressure. This isn't a deep tissue. Massage. Aim for firm but comfortable pressure. Don't give up early eyes. Alts build over time with subtle changes in 1-2 weeks and significant improvements after a month. Stick to natural oils like castor or coconut, avoiding lotions or petroleum-based products. Choose a comfortable position lying down, sitting, or one foot on a stool to avoid strain. Ensure skin contact for oil absorption and tissue response, not through clothing. Beyond sexual health, men report better bladder control, less posture, inhalation dribbling, and fewer nighttime bathroom trips, relief from pelvic, lower back, or hip discomfort, improved exercise performance, stronger core stability, and faster recovery and enhanced mood from reduced stress and proactive well-being. Maximize results with these tips. Breathe deeply. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4 to boost relaxation. Apply a warm compress for 5 minutes before massage to relax tissues. Use a 30-second cold washcloth post-massage to invigorate circulation. Stretch hip flexors or inner thighs, e.g., butterfly pose, to complement the massage. Drink half your body weight in ounces of water daily to support circulation. Link the massage to a daily routine like post-shower or before bed. Keep oil in a convenient spot like your nights and track progress in a journal noting energy, function, or mood on a 1 to 10 scale. If you miss a day, don't double up, just resume. Aim for 3 to 4 times weekly at minimum daily for best results. This isn't about instant miracles. It's about maintaining your body like you would a car or home. A minute a day, a few dollars for oil, and a willingness to try something new can improve function, reduce tension, and boost confidence. Unlike pills with side effects, this is a natural, proactive step. Try it for 30 days. Notice how you feel, not just physically, but overall. Share your experience to help others. Break the silence around men's health. Your best years aren't over.